This video is how to import your files into Karaoke Shell Library. Karaoke Shell Library root folder is gonna be my home. Let's add the new folder. Let's add, for example, English karaoke songs. Karaoke. And there's a type of folders. For example, if you are adding artist, you select artist. You're adding album, you select album. In this case, we select a folder, and you can change the folder image too here. Double click the image logo here, and all our information is not necessary right this time. And let's click on this newly created English karaoke folder. Let's click the import directory to the folder. In the screen, you have option to how to import the uh, set of files into your newly created folder. File extensions gonna be what type of files is gonna be imported. If you wanna import only certain type name of the files, for example, files start with A, it's gonna be something like this, something like this. This is a regular expression you can learn by clicking this question mark button here, but today we're not gonna talk about this. And next thing is, if you're importing the importing a folder and you want to import all the subfolders, you select the import subfolder, and same time, if you wanna import the folder names, folders names is gonna be create the folders in our library. You select copy folder names. In case you wanna skip the duplicates, for example, it's necessary when you're importing set of files and it's failed and you do it again, you better select skip duplicate entry, so it's not going to create duplicates in your library. Copy to library means in case you have files spread in different places, like for example, for me, English karaoke songs in one hard drive, different language songs in a different hard drive, then you wanna keep them organized in one place, then you select copy to the library. It will copy all these karaoke songs into your library directory. When you select this, there's one more option here. Copy all files with the same name. What does it mean is, for example, one karaoke song can have two or more files. One file is for image, one file is lyrics, and something like this. In this case, you're not only copying the karaoke song itself, you need to copy the uh, all the related files to the copy library. You select copy all files here, and if you're not sure about this of the selections, you can test it by clicking test button here, and it will simulate importing process, but not actually importing the files into our library, but it will simulate the process and leave a log file. Then after this, you can view the log file and things happen right or not. So today, let's select, for example, I have a bunch of English karaoke songs organized by starting letter of the artist. Let's select for today, to be quick, let's select only A folder, and I want to import all only car files, and I'm gonna copy the structure. I'm gonna import all subfolders because A is gonna consist like a ABBA or Aerosmith subfolders. so I don't care about this is my first import. I don't care about skip folder or anything. I want to keep them in my library path. So files is going to be copied to my library. So the same time as shown before, we can click test. Test show you the after import purchase the log file. So in the log file you'll see how many files is simulated to importing. For example, importing media query where the text, because the text is wasn't in our import uh, uh, file extension list. Skip it because the extension is not met. For example, this one all is copied because it was a car extension, and at the same time all text is copied to our library. See this? Because we selected to copy all files with the same name. So it's how it test works. So you know how it importing. So e- everything is fine. Everything is configuration is right. You just click OK. It will start importing our files. After import finished, we can see the log information here. How many files is imported? 388 files is imported. So the three here show you the directory names, what directory is imported, and within the directories you can see the names of the song here. So you can see the folder structures down here, and after you import you can see the how it's gonna shown on the browser. There's a tools, browse. This is list of templates. Basically, you can use on your browser. So right now we have three templates. Let's see how it's gonna shown on the tablet template. So how it is shown here. It's gonna be shown on the tablet or phone. It's something like this. So this all folders is imported. You click home, English karaoke. So let's go to the ABBA. So the song names here. Dancing Queen. This is this is how to import the folder.